So this is going to be a quick sewing candy about grommets. I personally have two different sizes. I have a 6mm, which is over this side, and this is my normal 12mm over this side. And I'm just going to be demonstrating on a piece of vinyl. I haven't sewn it together, but that's also not necessarily the biggest deal in the world. So, first thing I'm going to do is explain everything to you. So when you buy a set of grommet set for your cam press, you will get 4 pieces. So these two here are actually the hole punch. So this is just like a sharp edge, and then this squishes it in and cuts it for you. And then the other half, this looks very similar on this end, but this one is spring loaded so that it will squish down. So when we install them, the first thing you want to do is to be able to put your grommet where you want. Now, I usually just eyeball it, but what you can do is take your grommet, and on one, we're going to do this folded over, but it doesn't matter to mark it. I'm going to lay it down right in the center of where I want it, and then I'm just going to use a pen to draw the inner circle, like that. Now, if you don't have a cam press and you bought the style that hammers, this is a really good way to get the right size hole. So then I would just lay that under, line up the edge with the circle I just did, like that, and push down. Now, this table is not the most stable to be pushing, but it cuts out the hole for you. So then you insert this. The bigger grommets come with two pieces. So you've got the outer ring, which is the neat looking part, and then you get the backing of the grommet. Now it has like a curve to it, and you want to make sure that the curve is facing upwards when you lay it on the back. So the curve will be going up like this, not the other way around. The point of the curve is to help hold the edge of the fabric in place. So if you put it in upside down, it's not going to work properly. So then, with the nice side face down on the spring-loaded part, we install it like this, and then you just want to slowly and evenly squish, like that. And you will find that the edge rolls over to create this extra lip here, and making that so it won't come across or come off now. So the same or similar principle goes with the small one, except the smaller grommets, which could also be called eyelets, don't have a backing, which means that the only thing holding on the back is the eyelet itself. So for these smaller ones, you shouldn't do anything that's too thick with them. They're great for like putting eyelets in dresses or thin like 2 layers of fabric. You don't want too much interfacing in between all of these, as it doesn't hold on as much. And I'm going to show you that right now. So this is the hole punch. So I'm just going to punch a hole, and then I'm going to push it in. Now there's no backing, so we're just going to slide it on upside down and then push it down. So you can see here, while it has gone completely around, I personally don't think that this is going to hold, see? Because it's not designed to go through thicker things. It's just like more of a decorative eyelet. So I would put it through a single layer of vinyl like this, and then maybe have some fabric underneath that's poking through. But that is how you use and install grommets.